Good morning, folks. This is John from Advanced Diagnostics USA, and I'd like to make a short video this morning on 22 to 24 Ram Promaster full-size vans. 22 is optional push to start. You can see we've got a push to start button and prox keys hanging there. This is optional on 22, and on 23 through 24 the system is the same, and it went full-blown where it's just all prox, no more bladed. You see here in the photo, or in the video here, screenshot I've got going right now, is the connection point to the ADC2019 cable. Very easy to get to. It's behind this panel. That is the glove box panel. You see I've got it sort of pulled out, and there's our SGM module, gateway module, and I've got the plugs out of it, 2 plugs removed. Tabs are on this side here, so you push the tabs, pull them out, take your 2 ends, put them into the ADC2019 cable, and away you go. All right, I'll stop the video here and I'll show the programming sequence in another video. Yeah, quick video just to show you on this one that after I pulled it back down and everything, she's perfectly fine. Just the one screw that you need to take out. Again, I don't recommend doing it that way because this can stick out a little bit, but on this one, you see everything's just fine, just like it was before I started.